Writing product launch emails. About. Chat GPT can bring the sizzle to your product launch emails. Say goodbye to bland product descriptions and hello to witty and engaging emails that will have your audience eagerly anticipating the launch of your latest offering. Whether you need a headline that pops or a body copy that sizzles, Chat GPT is the writing sidekick you never knew you needed. With its ability to understand and interpret your brand tone, Chat GPT can help you create emails that are not only informative, but also entertaining and memorable. What is the best way to create excitement and generate interest for product, service in a product launch email? Write me a launch email that grabs the attention of potential customers for product, service. Write me a launch email that highlights the key features and benefits of product, benefits. Write me a launch email that creates excitement and generates interest for product, service. Write me a launch email with all the key elements included to ensure success in generating sales for product, service. Tips. Define the target audience. Clearly define who you want to target with the product launch email. This will help you tailor your message to the right people and ensure that it is relevant and interesting to them. Highlight the benefits. Focus on the benefits that the product provides and how it can improve the lives of the target audience. This will help to build excitement and create a sense of urgency around the launch.
If you liked this video and don't want to miss the next ones, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications.